too fast.
Where are this? Let's see.
One.
Babe, now. Ah, God.
Whip to go.
No, it's not like I've started. Is it, what's the name of the dance?
It's masa.
We've been doing the A to Z Afrodance tutorials. We've done A, we've done B, we've done C. And guys, today we are doing D.
Yes. D.
And today, dance that starts with D is dingi. Oh my God. So babe, the dance we're looking at today is dingi. The way the name sounds, like, I don't know, but I think it's okay. This is how the moves. This is how the dance looks like. So
okay.
it's like 1, 2, hey, hey. 1, 2, hey, hey.
1, 2,
hey, hey. So 1, 2, hey, hey. You get 1, 2, hey, hey. Are you sure this is not a choreography? Why did they call it dingi? Anyway, so that's it. So 1, 2, hey, hey. Yeah. So I think you need to add something like hey to make it look something dingy, you know. So 1, 2, hey, hey. Let's see it.
1.
Babe, now. Ah, God.
Whip to go.
No, it's not like I've started. Watch me.
I watched you now.
Then do what I did.
Oh yeah, do it again.
No, you say you watch me. Do what I did.
I did what you did now.
Do it now.
1, 2.
You see it. You see what you are doing.
1, 2, hey, hey. Is that not what you
got
did?
it. So it's the left hand and the right leg go.
I know.
1, 2, hey, hey. 1, 2, hey, hey. That's dingi.
1, 2, hey,
hey. 1, 2, hey, hey. All right, let's start with the song now. So guys, we're going to be trying the dingi step with this song. Let's see how it looks like. 5, 6, 7, go.
And if you hear this sound, then go with the back, go with the knees, baby, shake it to the max. DJ, please turn up the bass to the max.
It's not too fast.
Where are this? Let's see. You want to go?
Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Take it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top.
Hey, hey, say, go, hey, hey. So you can either go faster, say, wine, say, wine, or say. You get?
Oh.
You could either go fast, 1, 2, say to the beat, or 1, 2, say to the beat.
I got it now. That's me. That's
This
how I
is very easy. She got it.
What are you saying? When must you use this one? It's very easy to water down my expertise.
Is that what it's supposed to say? That kind of thing?
Do I know?
Alright guys, so that was the dingi dance, okay? And with that, we've come to the end of today's tutorial.
Yeah.
This is Afrodance letter D.
Yeah, D has only one Afrodance
that we know. Yes.
We know,
if you know there's another dance, Afrodance that start with D,
yeah, let us
drop
know
it in the comment section,
section.
okay? Alright, so guys, if you know this is your first time visiting this channel, please tap the subscribe button, like, share, drop a comment. And for our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah. And our assignment for you guys, tell us which country originated the Afro dance called dingi.
Dingi.
And with that, I'm Nemelum and
AG.
Together we are the Chuke. Okay, so now we'll take our leave. The Chuke. What are you saying?
The Chuke.
Together we are the Chuke. What are you saying?
The Chuke. It's not the Chukes.
Oh.
The Chukes.
Oh, the Chuke. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Babe.
Even we are not that masa. Babe, bye bye. What up?
Is it what's the name of the dance?
Masa. It's the masa.